With Foursquare, you can unlock your world and find happiness just around the corner. You will need Foursquare, a cell phone, and a passion for exploration. Step 1. Download the Foursquare app to your cell phone and instantly link to your address book, Facebook, and Twitter accounts to discover where your friends are hanging out. See if they're near you by looking at where they've recently checked in. If your phone doesn't have internet access and you live in the US, you can use Foursquare via text message. Step 2. Tell your friends where you are by checking in at one of the thousands of places Foursquare lists automatically based on your GPS location. Leave tips on special features you find around town and don't skimp on the details. Inside information is one of Foursquare's best features. If the place you're at isn't listed, you can add it to Foursquare. Step 3. Check out tips from your friends and from the hundreds of thousands of other users. Find recommendations on your specific location or suggestions for things to do or avoid nearby. Step 4. The more you use Foursquare, the more you'll get out of it. Unlock badges and earn points based on where, when, and how often you check in. See how many you can rack up in any given month and check out your stats at Foursquare.com. Step 5. Check in at a location more than anyone else and become the mayor. You don't get a key to the city, but you might get rewards from certain businesses just for being a loyal customer. Even if you're not the mayor, look out for specials offered to Foursquare users. Step 6. Use Foursquare wherever you go, in museums, at airports,